In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix dead pixels on monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have dead pixels, so individual little pixels that are stuck or dead, or if you have full lines, rows, columns like this, then you can follow the instructions in this video to get it solved. So, stuck pixels are going to be certain pixels that are stuck on a specific color, such as red, green, or blue. Dead pixels are going to be pixels that will not change color regardless of what you do. So the very first thing that I would recommend is actually applying some pressure onto these lines. See if they change in any way when you apply pressure. Of course, be gentle and see if they shift. If you notice that they break up when you apply pressure in a certain area, usually this will be solvable. So you can try applying pressure all the way through the line and see if it vanishes, or even change the cable. So sometimes this can also be attached to a faulty cable. Swap out the HDMI or DisplayPort cable that you are using, give it a through push into the port, and then see if it works. If it is still displaying the line fully, applying pressure didn't work, swapping out the cable did not work, then you can try alternative fixes such as jscreenfix.com. Visit this website and full screen your monitor. Now, choose the option to launch JScreenFix, and as you can see, this will give you a square. What you can do is drag this square over the specific line. You can also use this button to full screen it. I'm not going to do it for this video because I don't want to blind everyone with these shifting pixels, but it's as simple as placing it over the line of pixels that is dead and leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes. After it is done, you can back out and see if the full line or the specific pixels are gone. If they are still present, then you can try running a video like this on YouTube, Dead Pixel Fix, which is going to cycle through all of the colors on your monitor until they are properly gone. And if they still appear, then you can try restarting your monitor, updating the firmware, and if all else fails, then sadly it is going to be a problem with the panel, and in that case there is no fix that you can do yourself. You will have to most likely see if it is covered under warranty and get a replacement. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix dead pixel lines on monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.